Alright, so last night I came out at 11 to tackle the first 9 inches, and it took me till 1:30 in the morning to clear the first part of this road. Zach's out now doing round 2, and like if you look, this is how much came back down since then. I've got a total of a foot out here right now. Don't know what we'd do without that tractor. Be screwed, that's what we would do. And round 2, as they've said on the news, hasn't started yet. Luckily, and I've done this driveway once, you almost can't tell, but trust me, I have. Down here in Southern Maryland, we're not getting as much as they've already gotten west of DC, which is some places already 23 inches. As you can see, and there's Zach, my driveway down to the main road, private, is about 900 feet. So trucks do not come up here. They don't plow. It's up to us. You can see what a hard time it's having at this point, which is why we got to do it in stages. What's that?
I said, I'm just packing it down.
Yeah.
It's big snowballs.
Yeah. Just keep doing what you're doing.
It's going to be hard to keep it wide enough.
Well, you might have to do like I did on this side, where I just kept pushing, like in, out, in, out, in, out.
You see that big ball right there?
Yeah.
It stops me.
This is Shirley's house. I did this one. I know you can't tell, but I did. And she's the one we bought the tractor off of when she thought she was moving. That deal fell through. Basically all the way down to that sign pole is where we got to go, all the way around here. Had no idea I was out for 2.5 hours last night. I figured, hour and a half, I walk in the door, it's 2.5 hours later. That's Barry. He's the one who also helps. He's done my driveway several times before I got that hold of that tractor and got it fixed. His John Deere does much better. He's got wheel weights and everything. He'll probably hit the other neighbors' driveways because that's the kind of neighbor he is. Just like he's done mine and everybody else up here. All right. Well, Marvin, as you know I usually say, you know what the deal is? Fuck that. Sorry, correction, Marvin, I said it wrong. Here's the deal. Fuck that snow. There's Zach in action. Now he's doing the neighbors. You can see what a tedious process this is. Push the button, down the shovel, manual flip. Well, that's the only way to do it. Better than hand shoveling. What a mess. Excuse me, sir. News Channel RJA, what do you think?
It's fucking cold.
We'll come back, use the tractor and shove all this shit back some more too. I am not pushing this crap. All the sleet and a little bit of rain we had made this stuff a lot heavier and harder to push. I'm having a really hard time getting through this stuff. Hardly going anywhere now. Freaking wind, look at all this. Getting brutally cold out. Taking Zach forever to work Shirley's driveway. Just a